Kajal is an essential part of every eye makeup routine, and it's no surprise why. It's a very minimal, low effort way to define the eyes without needing professional level makeup skills or multiple makeup products. But if it is applied incorrectly or it isn't used well, it can make the eyes look very tired and fatigued. To avoid that, you should avoid making the mistakes when applying Kajal. Keep watching to know the mistakes and correct them if you've ever had them in your eye makeup routine. The first one is that you should use caution when applying Kajal to the eyes. Kajal tends to be applied on the lash line at the bottom and the lower waterline inside the eyes. When it is applied, the skin tends to be tugged and the pencil tends to be poked into the corners like that. But that needs to be avoided completely because the under eye area is so gentle and needs to be treated that way. So instead of tugging and pulling the skin, angle your pencil in a way where you can reach the corners so that you do not need to damage the skin at all. Also, when you are using a pencil on the eyes, there isn't any need to push it too hard and try and get the line done in a single stroke. Use gentle force and maneuver it to apply small strokes to cover the entire area instead of pushing too hard and getting it done in one swipe. Another is that one shouldn't restrict themselves to black Kajal alone. Black may be the most popular color of Kajal, but it isn't the only one. Kajal is available in a lot of different colors like blues and greens, browns and purples. And with colored Kajal pencil, you can also add natural definition to the eyes that isn't as stark as black, as well as a color pop in your eye makeup which is low on effort. Another thing when applying Kajal in your eye makeup routine, especially on the under eye area, it needs to be set. Because when you apply Kajal in the lower lash line or the lower line, what tends to happen is that it tends to leak downwards, and by some point in the day after a couple of hours, that looks like you have dark circles. Now no one wants that. So when you apply Kajal, especially in the lower part of your eye like the lash line or the waterline, set the area with a powder, with a setting powder and a bit of makeup like a concealer, so that the Kajal stays in place, it doesn't move downwards and it doesn't give the appearance like you have dark circles at any point in the day. Another mistake that you should avoid making when you use Kajal is not removing it thoroughly. When Kajal is used on the eyes, and if any residue of it remains, that tends to get caught in the inner or the outer portions of the eyes, and while that's forgotten temporarily, the next day that can leak downwards and it is not healthy for the eyes, neither does it look good on the under eye area. So when you apply Kajal at the end of the day, use a Q-tip like a cotton bud and use it with micellar water or a very gentle cleanser to remove the Kajal completely from that area so that there isn't any residue present in the eyes. The next time you wear Kajal, make sure you don't make any of these mistakes.